What's up guys, Code Expert here, and we are back with yet another amazing tutorial, and this time we are going to talk about character consistency. That's right guys, I went through all of the social media platforms and I found out that getting consistent AI characters is one of the most sought out things by the creators right now. Alright, so I decided to build my own tool called VAKPix, and where you can create and edit the images using AI, and I was able to demonstrate a great accuracy in character consistency. So as you can see that there are multiple examples that I would like to show you. The first one is this lady. As you can see, this is the original image that I had, and I gave this prompt, and it created this another image with the same character. All right, this can happen with multiple types of images. So for example, this character is a cartoon character, and you can achieve the character consistency in great accuracy using the animated characters as well. Alright, so you can see here it's a fictitious 3D hip-hop cat. The character consistency is really great. Alright, there are multiple examples over here. I'm just going to show you a few of them. So you can see that the cloth color is changed, but the character consistency is amazing. Here as well, you can see this one is real example. So I changed this woman's 3D figure into the Paris pathway photograph. All right, this one is for the car, and a lot of things. All right, so these are the examples I gave you, and I'm going to demonstrate now how to achieve a great character consistency with almost zero efforts. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so this is the platform that I have built, which is called VAKPix.com. The link is in the description, so you can check out the link and try it yourself along with me. But before moving forward, I just wanted to give you one more information. So if you are an AI creator, then we have an AI creator giveaway program. So if you click on this one, you will get to this page over here. And we are actively inviting the AI influencers and creators to join this program. And what you will get in this program is VAKPix's plus subscription for 1 year. All right, and there are no commitments, no obligations at all. The only thing is you have to be selected in the program, and optionally you can share your feedback and testimonial, and you may choose to mention or promote VAKPix on the platform that you are on, but it's completely optional. No other obligations are there. All right, and the benefits you get are listed over here. So I'm not going into the details. You can just read out the program if you are a creator, and let's move forward. All right, so once you are into the platform, you can just go to get started for free, and it will create an account. I already have an account, so I'm just logged into my account. And what we are doing now is we will first create a character, and then we will edit this character into multiple situations with the great accuracy. All right, so I have this prompts over here. So this is the initial prompt which I want to use to create a unique character for our experiment. All right, so let me just paste the prompt over here. Make sure you're into create page, and I will hit enter, and it will generate an image within few seconds. All right, so that looks amazing. We have created an image. I'm going to download it now, because this is how we will be able to edit this image further. All right, now we have this image, and I'm going to preserve the character but change the scene. So this is the first prompt that I have, which says edit the image as the same unique woman character, preserving all her defining features like face, skin tone, hair, dress, style, etc., and place her walking barefoot along the golden sandy beach at sunset with gentle waves at her feet. Alright, so this looks good. So I'm going to copy this one and go to edit tab now, and I'm going to upload the same image again which we had created right now, and I'm going to paste the instructions over here. So it will keep the same character, but all of the features and the background and everything will be changed. So let's see what happens now. And boom, you can see that character consistency is amazing, and we have achieved it really accurately. All right, so if you want to compare, you can just go to the dashboard and to the my edits, and you will have your own edits over here, and you can see that the character consistency is really amazing. You can also click on here to check out the image page over here. So it has given a really amazing character consistency, guys. So I'm going to try one or two more times. So let's upload the same image again, and this time I'm going to use this prompt, urban evening scene, where the original image can be edited as a same unique woman character, preserving all her defining features. Place her in modern city street at twilight under the glowing neon lights. Alright, so this looks fun. So I'm going to copy this one and paste it over here. Let's see what happens now. Amazing, guys, amazing. So you can see that in my edits we have this one as well, and it looks really unique, guys. The character consistency is at its peak, and you will get exceptional quality images without any effort. Alright, guys, so I have two more prompts, and I'm going to list those down into the description below, and I welcome you to go to the VAKPix.com and try to first generate the base image, and after that edit those images using these prompts. And these are just example prompts. You can try multiple types of prompts, multiple types of characters, and it works absolutely amazing. So I hope that it will be helpful for all of your creators and innovators, and I have put a lot of efforts in creating this platform. So please like to this video and subscribe to my channel if you really like my work. And in coming days I will be developing this platform, and I would like your inputs in that. So make sure to join our Discord community. The link is given in the description, and I will be back with more amazing videos and what you can do with VAKPix. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Let's meet in the next video.